decorate with me for fall, minimal, and in a renovation. Nothing major, but check this out. I love this thing. One of my supporters made this and sent this, so I'm putting this up again for fall. So let's get into it. Skip this area. We're gonna make sure we wipe the area with some alcohol. It's gonna be a little higher, probably right up here. Ew, this door is dirty, dirty, dirty. Take one of these stickies. Can y'all see it? Oh, I'm all out the camera. One of these stickies and put it up there. And let's do that. I have a door hanger, but it's in storage, so I don't know where it is. So let's put this right about here, maybe. Yeah. That should be perfect. Could y'all see? Yep. Don't know where my fall and Halloween stuff is, so thank God she sent me this last year, and we're gonna use it again because I love it. And I got a few pieces that I have to fix and fluff, so perfect, perfect. All right, guys, wait, my peephole had to readjust. I couldn't see through the peephole. Yeah, we need to see through that peephole, guys. All right, I love it. Thank you so much, Lori. Hold on, let me back up, guys. Try fluffing the bow out a little bit. So yeah, I love it. All right, y'all, happy fall. Later, gators.